Hello YouTube, this is attempt 3 to make a video of this. So, I have with me custom X-Men. Some may be for sale, some may not, so I'm just showing you guys. Right now we have, we have Gambit in the mini X-Kit. We have the modified Sentinel. Bigger and better. Still scrawny, but still able to kind of better equipped to fight the X-Men. Even though he doesn't seem to want to stand. Okay. X-Men defeated him. We have Bishop in his time machine. And his time thing on his wrist. Professor X. Jubilee. Kurt Wagner. Nightcrawler. We got Cable. Gotta have Cable. Phoenix's bird. She could perch on. And last but not least, modified X-Jet. It's got same weapons there. We got some same weapons there, and an extra thing of weapons right there. Alright, so I've modified the back so it can hold more storage than people. Holds 10 X-Men right now. He could sit, but he doesn't like to. There. So 2 in the back. In the middle right here, about 3. They're not kissing. Sorry. So 3 right there. And Colossus, Rogue, Storm, Iceman, Morph. Kitty, Scott, got Wolverine, you can see him there too. Then we got Beast and Phoenix. So that's 10 figures in this Blackbird. So now when you need the whole team to go, the majority of the team to go, and to defeat the Brotherhood of Evil Mutants, like Sabretooth, Quicksilver, Multiple Man, and Magneto. 10 people should be fine. But when it's MODOK and Unicron and Loki and all of them, you may need the full X-Men. So, if you like this, please subscribe. If you don't like it, hit dislike. You got the freedom to do that. Comment, subscribe, and tell people about the site. And I should be coming out with my review of Groot and the Guardians of the Galaxy. So, I will see you guys later, and have a great day. Bye.